Well, here we are down at Selsey on quite a stormy day. Not one of the worst storms ever, but there'll be some the wind speed and other things put up on the screen in a moment. So we're here looking at the Bunn leisure defences on a day that will certainly be testing them, but not the worst that we can have down at Selsey. So that's the eastern breakwater we're looking at, which is getting a bit of a pounding at the moment. And we'll have some close-ups of that later on in the film. Panning round over the beach area now, that large shingle beach that's been put in place, and some brave souls braving the winds and enjoying the spectacle of the waves there crashing onto the beach. So, tide 5.2 metres, it's just about high tide when this film's been taken. The wind's south, or south-southeast, force 7 to 8, so it's not the worst by any means that we can have down here. And the wind direction normally we get for our gales is southwesterly. But this is certainly a good test for these new defences here, and they seem to be wearing up very well indeed. Panning round across the beach in the distance, you can probably see the surf there hitting the breakwater at the other end of the Bunn leisure defences. Again, the beach is pretty intact. This 5.2 metre tide isn't really getting anywhere near it. And there you're looking towards Bracklesham with the waves breaking against the eastern breakwater that Bunn leisure have been put in, and possibly in the distance also on some of the Medmary rocks. Here's a close-up of that. Actually, it's the eastern side here we're looking at. It's certainly taking the power out of those waves. Panning back out now, so this has been taken, the film, from near the Coast Guard station at Selsey, and you can see the beach there in front of Medmary Cliffs, which are the low clay cliffs off to the right, with the surf pounding on that. On a bigger tide though and stronger winds, you'd expect the sea to actually reach the bottom of the cliffs, and today it's barely doing that. Thank you for watching, and for further information please do visit our website.